It is Thursday, March 19th. Guess what tomorrow is?
Friday.
There it is. Beautiful.
It's
I'm
spring.
glad to know you're keeping up.
It's spring.
Play along with me, would you?
It's spring at 10:46.
10:46. We just
a.m.
a.m.
a.m. And I'm going to be glad.
You can
I
come.
like four seasons.
I do too. And we're definitely have had a winter for sure.
Really have.
This year. Hopefully spring will be wonderful. But sometimes winters just kind of blend in. Not this year.
Yeah. We said on the radio show, boy, this would have been a week not to turn your news on, not to dial into.
If I could have taken a vacation this week,
this would have been the week. This would have been a week to do it. We'll get it out on the table. It's oil. Oil is what in the passage of in the Gulf, getting ships in and out of
the Straits of Hormuz.
It's all about that, and that's what's driving the marketplace, and that's what's driving price of oil up. WTI is up into the $96, $98 a barrel range, and ICE Brent crude oil, which is the European oil that comes out of the ocean over there in Europe, it's in the $140 to $160 range, and so it's expensive at this point in time.
It is, and until we have this conflict behind us, we're going to continue to be fretting over oil prices, right. And they're going to continue to be moving around a lot until the Straits of Hormuz are secured. We're going to continue to have what we have right now. So we're hoping that within the next 30 days, that if not out of this conflict, we're really close to being out of it.
Yeah, 60 days cumulative is the magic calendar number historically that shows that there's elasticity in oil prices for 60 days, but if it continues to be under pressure past that, then it's going to go kind of crazy, and when it goes crazier than it is right now, it has the potential of being really disruptive. So we're 30 days in. We got about another 30 days to figure out how to get out of this mess.
Yes, and it is a bit of a mess. I'm very proud of our military and what they're able to accomplish, but wars are always just scary. They're just really, really scary.
The Federal Reserve did the right thing this week. The right thing they would look. Some folks would have said to cut interest rates, but what they did that was right, they didn't say we needed to raise interest rates. They stayed pat. They said they're going to be data dependent. They're going to be looking at jobs. The war is an unknown, could be inflationary. Jerome Powell did say, though, that he is not concerned about disinflation at this point in time. That's not on the table, but they're going to remain constant. The dot plots, the predictors say at least one rate cut this year, one rate cut by 2026. Now, the fireworks was when Jerome Powell said, hey, I'm not going anywhere at the end of my term in May unless this lawsuit against me is cleared and taken care of and done and over with. I'm going to stay around and sit on the board for the next couple of years.
And we're going to eat popcorn and watch.
Yeah. So therein lies just another unknown that can create volatility. So as Gib says, we'll order the popcorn and get a comfortable seat and see what it says.
Yeah.
So
just watch.
We have that. Folks, we continue to be talking with all our clients. We continue to answer questions about where we are. Risk management is at the forefront of everything we're doing, but it is steady as it goes right now with the data points that we continue to look at. We ended our radio show by referring to Phil Orlando's white paper that came out this week that had
it was very optimistic.
A little more optimism than you would have thought he would have, but it was a very optimistic white paper with the underlying facts that the underlying pieces of the economy still remain strong.
Yes, and we've come out of a 45-day government shutdown,
Right.
at the first of the year. So we've overcome a lot. There's still a lot to overcome, but assuming we can get over these hurdles, we're going to end up having a nice year, everyone.
All right. If you have any questions, please call us. If you know anybody we ought to be talking to, we're meeting new people all the time. Just pass on their names or ask them to give us a call. We're here each and every week for you because we know it is your money.
And your money matters. Have a great rest of the week, and we'll talk to you next week.
See you next week.